Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. For this one, it's got a little something special planned out. We're going to try another multi-bullseye. See how many bullseyes we can get on this one. How many do you think we can get?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get at least 3.
3? On a 2X? She says 3.
Yeah, I think that's a lot of colors.
Yeah, you are gonna need some. You are gonna use all of them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
With the gray.
Yeah, you need some.
It's 7 colors total.
You need some pretty good sized bullseyes in, anyway. Three would be a good one. We'll see what we get though.
Alright, let's go.
You're just gonna do one? I thought we were gonna do multiple bullseyes.
Oh, I thought you meant how many this way. That's what I thought you were saying this whole time.
No? Okay, that'll work. I didn't know. Yeah, I was like, what? So, just one bullseye, sorry.
Well,
multiple rings, but
yes.
One bullseye. Some mist gray, is that?
Yeah.
Mist gray. Fire red. Deep orange. Lemon yellow. Granny apple green. Bluebird. I love that bluebird.
It's a very deep blue.
It is. Very vibrant. It mixes with that yellow quite well too, I've always noticed. Some deep purple. I'm about to mix us up some more of the lime pop and all those. I know those are your favorites.
The pastels.
Yeah, we got more lime pop. We got a whole bunch of new colors in them. Well, not so much new colors. We do have new colors that I haven't even mixed yet, but a whole bunch of colors. So, all told, on this one we have fire red, bluebird, granny apple green, golden yellow, deep orange, deep purple, and mist gray. A full rainbow with a mist gray icing. Mist gray topper. It's gonna look like one of those, what do you call them? The rainbow popsicle?
Like a bomb pop?
Not the bomb pop, the other one. What's it called? It's got a name. It's like a rainbow pop. It's made by Popsicle, the company. You would find them right next to the bomb pop, so yes. You know, you got the red, white, and blue bomb pop, and then you got the other one that's like all the colors. And that's the one.
I didn't get to do the ice cream truck a lot when I was little.
I always got the bomb pop, so.
So I don't know all those very well. I mean, of course I went to the ice cream truck a couple times if I ever caught him. But either I'd be at a friend's house and have no money when he came around, or I'd be inside and there wouldn't be enough time for my mom
to hear it as it was going up the road.
Yeah. Or he'd never even come down my road at all.
I remember chasing him on the bicycle when we were young. Flippity-the-flop. There's somebody practicing out there. A little more Miss Gray. A little more fire red. times.
I'm telling you. I can see it in my head before it's made.
I'm telling you. Just getting it good and saturated there with that yellow. You got to make sure and get a lot on that thick part because there's so much fabric there. If you're wondering why it seems like she's putting less on one end and a lot on the other end, it's for the exact reason you think. It's not rocket appliances, people. We're just pouring dye on t-shirts.
Ant. Had an ant.
Anybody that thinks it looks cool, you should go to Michael's, buy you some shirts and try, because you really can't mess them up. So it's like your own children. You love them regardless. You gotta love your own creations. Even if they are a little, you know, shall we say special.
Oh, I missed one little spot, right?
I was gonna say something, but I should get it. Look at that. Man, that thing looks good. Ooh, that looks good.
Alright, let's take it over there.
Alrighty, to the drying rack. Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.